Welcome to the VELTRAS product overview. This video is part 2 of a 2-part series that provides an overview of the tracking and reporting capabilities of the VELTRAS production system. Part 1 contains an introduction to the product and an overview of the functionality. The dashboard provides real-time status and accountability for the department. The dashboard identifies the current number of waiters and drop-offs for the current day, along with the number of near and long-term carryovers, so all vehicles are accounted for. The gold categories highlight vehicles in the repair status and technicians that are currently logged in but idle. Vehicles where the customer is in a loaner are indicated in green if prioritization and cost control regarding loaners and rentals is desired. All categories can be clicked and the detail displayed down to the individual vehicle if so desired. VELTRAS reporting is focused on activities within the repair process. Metrics regarding hours and sales are already available through client management systems. VELTRAS metrics are targeted to provide transparency within the process and supply accountability information to management for improvement. The advisor and technician reports can be run on a daily, weekly, or monthly time frame. The reports include key metrics such as average repair times and percentage of carryovers. Average hold times are calculated to assess any process roadblocks or impacts on carryover rate. The technician report includes the total idle time for that period, so management can identify any lost opportunity. The end-of-day procedure is a management exercise to assess the department's use of the capacity available. Average hours per RO is used for calculation and established at installation. It can be updated as performance changes. The Today worksheet is a rough calculation that allows management to view real-time whether all the available capacity was used based upon technician availability. The Tomorrow worksheet provides management a rough look into the future to manage under and overbooking, extending carryovers, and avoiding potential customer delays. The monthly performance reports are the reports to assist management in determining utilization of their people and facility assets. The same baseline average hours per RO is used for calculation as in the end-of-day procedure, but can be updated on the screen if necessary. Baseline potentials for hours are established at installation, which allow management to gauge their performance against objective for technician utilization or the percentage of actual capacity used. VELTRAS is also able to calculate a rough facility utilization metric to identify the percentage of the available space that was used. Both metrics can then be used by management to maintain or modify their scheduling process or act proactively to seek additional resources. We thank you for your time in reviewing this presentation of the VELTRAS Shop Production System. If you would like to know more, have any questions, or would like to discuss how the system can impact the velocity in your department, please email us at support@veltras.com or visit our website at www.veltras.com.